Loading 100 posts shouldn't require 100 database queries, but often it does. The N+1 query problem occurs when your code makes one query to fetch a list, then makes a separate query for each item in that list to get related data. If you load 100 posts and query each author individually, that's one initial query plus 100 more. 101 database round trips for a single page load. Here's the classic trap in code. First you fetch all posts, one query. Then inside a loop, for each post you load its author. That's a brand new database query every iteration. With 100 posts, you've just fired 101 queries without realizing it. Each query carries network latency. An endpoint that's fine in development with 10 records might time out in production with 10,000. This is one of the most common performance bugs in web applications. The fix is eager loading. Fetch all related data up front in a single query. In SQL, that's a join. In Django, use select_related. In Rails, use includes. This collapses 101 queries into two. Catch it early with query logging, APM tools, or ORM warnings like the bullet gem. N+1 silently kills performance. Recognize the loop query pattern, fix it with eager loading, and monitor with query logs. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.